So this is the Soviet medal for the restoration of the Donbass coal mines. Donbass is an abbreviation of two words, Donetsk Basin. The medal was established on the 10th of September 1947. It was awarded to workers, technicians and engineers for outstanding performance in duties, high production and meritorious service in reconstructing the Donbass coal mines. Now, during the Great Patriotic War, Donbass was the heart of the USSR's coal mining industry, was occupied by German troops and almost completely destroyed. The restoration, i.e. the rebuilding in 1947 of the area, was done by German prisoners of wars. The medal was only awarded to the Russian supervisors and machine operators. Rebuilt were 129 main pits, 889 smaller pits, 300 mine head frames and 700 lifting machines were put in operation. Approximately 46,000 medals were issued. So although the work was done by German POWs, it was only awarded to the Russians who oversaw the work. So this is the medal for the restoration of the Donbass mines, 1947.